Welcome along guys, well this is it, Motorcycle Live. We're on the social hub with Vichy Vida, Womble. Come and see us. Quick 15 minutes before the place opens to do a quick look round, look at some of the bikes. What do you want to look at first? What should we go to? The Aprilia stand, okay mate. I'm looking forward to seeing the new RSV4 in Toronto. Oh, is that the new 500? It doesn't look bad, does it, for CBR 500? Yeah, that looks nice, doesn't it? Motor Guzzies. Oh, that's the new 85, the new 85 off-roader. You haven't done any adventure bike stuff yet, have you? I'll have to get you out on the adventure bike, mate. That's the V85. I think it'll be a good bike, that will. I don't know how much it's going to be yet. I don't think they've announced the price yet. Oh, 10.7. 10.7. It's not bad, is it? Try it on for size. Oh yeah. Suits you. It's got those little intakes on the brakes as well. The carbon cooling intakes. How nice are they? That's the factory works one. That's the proper one. That is. Looks nice with the paint on the wings. Doesn't it? It looks better with a bit of paint on the wings. Aprilia gives you wings. That's the RR one. 15.5 grand. 15.5 grand. Still in price is a standard Fireblade. Oh, I like that, mate. I like that with the red on the. I like it. It's nice. Do you prefer yours? Do you prefer your green? I don't know. I like that. I don't think anything else has changed, has it? It's still got no LED headlights, which is a bit of a no LED indicators, which is a bit. It's got electronic Olins now, so you've got 3 electronic Olins. But I think that is the only change, and the new paint. I like the new paint, mate. I really like that. You don't like it as much as yours? Ah, you're just saying that. I think that looks nice. I like that red and black. I like the little red strips down the cowl.
Don't suit you.
Don't suit me.
Nah, it's too racy for you.
On your hot, mate. Area lace, billet frames. One thing I know about these is they've got milled frames from single piece billet, and they're very expensive. 20 grand, which is getting the norm for like a special edition bike. 20k it is, which I thought was more expensive than that actually. So that's almost getting the norm now, isn't it, for like a special. You got completely billet frame. Well, it's got some welds in it. Ah, this must be no. Oh no, it's not welded. It is billet. Look.
It's just welded there, isn't it?
That's welded there. Yeah, this piece is one billet. That's another. It's lovely engineered bit of kit, isn't it? It's 20 grand. It's not bad, is it? How many of those have you seen down Luli's? The new Street Scrambler. Got nitron suspension as well. The ultimate mile muncher. That one. I'd love to have a go on one. I think it's. With all that torque with that supercharger, I'd like to have a go on a tuned one, really, one that's had a bit of tuning done, about 250. Well, I think they are 250 horsepower for this year, though, aren't they? I think they've remapped them, and now they're like 250 horse. 28 grand is quite expensive.
Yeah.
That is going to be a big seller, I think, next year. Bring back the 600 class. 9.6 or in black. Has anyone actually had a delivery of their V4RR? It's a lovely bit of kit, but I don't think anyone's actually got one yet, have they? Look at that exhaust a bit tasty there, isn't it? It does look absolutely lovely, doesn't it? New Atlas. Could be a very, very good bike. Ducati. Those wings do look more stylish than the Aprilia wings, don't they? way this sweeps in here. All this is one piece though with that tank. It is lovely, it is gorgeous, isn't it? And the shark gills. Suits you. He wants one. How much is it there?
20.
20. That's not even the S, is it? That's the completely stocker, isn't it? That's the bang stocker. 20k. 20k for the stocker. How much is the S then? 24. Well, yeah, 24. Another 4,200 for the S. Do you get the S or do you get the stocker? Looks like it's carved out of pure granite, the tank of that, doesn't it? There's the 790 with the ball bags. That's the pound called them. That's the Adventure R, that one. The R's got the more knobbly tyres on it and probably the longer travel suspension. The S, yeah, the S is the more street version. The S has got the shorter mudguard. This is the off-road one. This one. That's the S is the street one. It's nice. I look forward to trying one. I quite like the new Super Duke colours. It's nice, doesn't it? Nice. It's got the race tail seat on this one as well. Look. It was tasty, doesn't it? I don't fancy going to Spain on that though. Chris Gilmore's Pikes Peak 790 with the proper Popovich and the proper tail on. It's amazing how much it transforms the bike with that proper rear seat cowl and that on it. It's so much better than the road stocker. I like it a lot. .790 action. Small, yeah. It's only a parallel twin. But yeah, I like that new colour. I like the black around the front bit. It looks nice, doesn't it? The new one. And it's now got braided lines as well. Katana. Looking forward to trying one. TS or something like that. GSXR Dash. The original. A new one. Next weekend, mate, you'll be on that for real. Let's see you standing up then. Do you standing up? Next weekend, mate. Wales, we'll be on it. 690 Enduro. Let me have a sit on. Oh, 690 Supermoto, the new SMCR. I like it. Still no rev count today. Traction control. The seat feels more comfy than the 701. That exhaust, it's not nice.
This end they've shaved, they've cut away so you can see.
But instead of that, all I'm going to do...
But that's what my engine's like.
is I'm going to push it off. Good day. This is what can sometimes happen when we're manual handling or something is loose, slippery, pretty grippy.
You can listen to music if you've got.
So instead of trying to pull the bike upwards because I need that short foot.
You can also make phone calls.
Otherwise, highly likely.
This is a bike which could be part of the rig.
There he is, Mr. Motorcycle Live. Oh, that's it, back in the car, mate. It's a good one. It was a good one. Bike of the show for you.
V4.
V4? What, which one? What, the...
Do you know, just the basic V4.
The basic one?
If I owned one, I don't think I'd ride it.
Just keep it in the front room?
Keep it in the front room.
Yeah, I don't know, bike of the show. The new 690. SMCR, I know you weren't that keen, were you? But
yeah, I prefer the old version.
Yeah, I'm a bit disappointed they haven't got the proper dash on it, like they've just got the 701 dash, haven't they, without any rev counter. The old SMC had the rev counter, you had, gear indicators. They should have gone, because I know that the Huskies are like, they should have made it less competition and more road. Even put the LCD dash on it, maybe.
Yeah.
Not LCD, the TFT. So that was a little bit disappointing, but I'm looking forward to trying one. Biggest disappointment, do you reckon?
Lunch.
That pasty wasn't great, was it?
It was all pastry, no meat.
£4.50. The new Kawasaki 600 as well. ZX6R looked quite nice, didn't it? That looked quite physically big as well for 600. Yeah, I like the look of that. And the new 2019 S1000RR.
Yeah,
that looked good, didn't it?
That looked nice.
With us with the dash, LCD dash.
Yeah. If everything works on that,
TFT dash even. Yeah, and it looked really small in the pictures, but it actually
it's definitely a sports bike for the road.
Yeah, I think it's going to be a good 2019.
Yeah, better save your pennies up.
Save the pennies, test some of these bikes, get some reviews done. I'm looking forward to it. Bring it on! That wasn't recorded. That was.